Welcome to my channel Beat the Math. I am Pavitra Munaik. Today I need to discuss some problem of element of mathematics. If you are new in this channel, please like, share and subscribe. This is element of mathematics exercise 9a question number 2 bit 8. The question is given integrate the following integration of cos 2x by cos x plus sin x dx. Okay, cos 2x is equal to, you know that, cos square x minus sin square x by cos x plus sin x dx. You see, this is in the form of a square minus b square, that is a plus b, a minus b, cos x plus sin x into cos x minus sin x divide cos x plus sin x. You see, cos x plus sin x will cancel out. So this is equal to integration of cos x minus sin x dx. Integration of cos x is equal to sin x. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c is equal to sin x plus cos x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, question number 9, cos 4th x minus sin 4th x by cos x minus sin x dx. You see, we can write cos square x whole square minus sin square x square divide cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, this is also in the form of a square minus b square, that is cos square x, a plus b minus b, that is cos square x plus sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x, okay, by cos x minus sin x dx. You see, cos square x plus sin square x is equal to 1. So 1 into cos square x minus sin square x divide cos x minus sin x dx, okay, is equal to, you see, this is also in the form of cos this is a square minus b square, that is cos x plus sin x, again cos x minus sin x dx. Okay, you see, cos x minus sin x, cos x minus sin x, these two will cancel out, okay, is equal to integration of cos x plus sin x dx. Integration of cos x is equal to sin x is equal to minus cos x plus c. You see the next question number 10 given cos 2x, integration of cos 2x by sin square x into cos square x. You know the formula, cos 2x is equal to cos square x minus sin square x divide sin square x into cos square x dx, okay, is equal to, you see, this is we can write cos square x by sin square x into cos square x minus sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, you see, cos square x cancel out, sin square x cancel out. That means this is equal to integration of 1 by sin square x dx minus integration of 1 by cos square x dx. 1 by sin square x is equal to cos x square x dx. This is 1 by cos square x is equal to sec square x dx. Integration of cosec square x dx, that is minus cot x, minus integration of sec square x, that is tan x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question. Integration of a square sin square x plus b square cos square x by sin square 2x dx. Okay, you see this is a square sin square x plus b square cos square x by sin 2x, that is 2 sin x into cos x whole square dx. Okay, is equal to, you see this is equal to a square sin square x plus b square cos square x divide 4 sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, is equal to a square sin square x divide 4 sin square x into cos square x plus b square cos square x divide 4 sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, you see sin square x cancel out. A square by 4 is the constant. 1 by cos square x, that is sec square x dx, plus b square by 4 constant. Okay, cos square x cancel out. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosec square x dx is equal to a square by 4 sec square x, that is integration of sec square x, that is tan x plus b square by 4 integration of cosec square x minus cot x plus c is equal to a square by 4 tan x minus b square by 4 cot x plus c. You see the next question. Integration of tan x plus cot x whole square dx is equal to, you see this is a plus b whole square, that is tan square x plus cot square x plus 2 tan x into cot x dx. Okay, so tan square x is equal to how much? Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1, sec square x minus 1 plus cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1 plus tan x cot x will cancel out. Okay, 2 dx. Integration of this is how much? Sec square x plus cosec square x is this minus 1 minus 1, these two will cancel out, only this dx. Integration of sec square x, that is tan x, integration of cosec square x, that is minus cot x plus c. Plus the video, note it down. You see next problem. Integration of 1 minus cos 2x by 1 plus cos 2x dx is equal to, you see, you know 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x by 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x dx. 2 will cancel out. You see is equal to tan square x dx. Tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1 dx. Okay, is equal to sec square x dx minus 1 dx, that is only dx. Sec square x is equal to how much? Tan x, integration of dx x plus c. Okay, you see the next problem. Sec square x into cosec square x dx, that is 1 by cos square x into sin square x dx. Okay, 1 is equal to, we can write cos square x plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. Okay, integration, that is cos square x by cos square x into sin square x dx plus sin square x by cos square x into sin square x dx. You see, cos square x cancel out, sin square x cancel out. This is equal to 1 by sin square x. 1 by sin square x is equal to cosec square x dx minus this is 1 by sec square x, 1 by cos square x, that is sec square x dx. Okay, this is equal to minus cot x. This is equal to tan x plus c is equal to tan x minus cot x, tan x minus cot x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see, the next problem is a sin square x plus b cos square x by sin square x into cos square x. Okay, this is equal to a sin square x by sin square x into cos square x dx plus b cos square x divide sin square x into cos square x dx. Okay, is equal to a sin square x square x cancel out, a by cos square x, that is a sec square x dx. A is constant, here b constant, cos square x cancel out, 1 by sin square x, that is cosec square x dx is equal to a, this is tan x plus b. You see, cosec square x minus cot x plus c is equal to a tan x minus b cot x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next question, a sin qx plus b cos qx by sin square x into cos square x is equal to, you see, a sin qx by sin square x into cos square x dx plus b cos qx by sin square x into cos square x dx. You see, this q and this sin square will cancel out. This is equal to a sin x by cos square x dx. You see, this q and this square will cancel out, that is b cos x by sin square x dx, and this is equal to a 1 by cos x into sin x by cos x dx. B this is 1 by sin x into cos x by sin x dx is equal to a 1 by cos x, that is sec x, 1 by cos x, that is sec x into tan x dx. Okay, plus b cosec x into cot x dx. This is equal to a sec x plus b minus cosec x plus c is equal to a sec x minus b cosec x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem, integration of root over 1 plus sin 2x dx. Integration of root over, you see one given, that is sin square x plus cos square x plus sin 2x dx. 1 is equal to sin square x plus cos square x, you know it earlier. Integration of, you see this is in the form of sin x plus cos x whole square dx, okay, is equal to root, and that 2 will cancel out. Integration of sin x plus cos x dx. Integration of sin x is equal to minus cos x plus cos x is equal to sin x plus c is equal to sin x minus cos x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem, integration of root over 1 minus cos 2x dx, okay, is equal to root over 1 minus cos 2x is equal to 2 sin square x root over dx is equal to integration of root 2 sin x dx, okay, is equal to, you see root 2 is constant, integration of sin x dx, that is minus cos x plus c is equal to minus root 2 cos x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem, integration of root over 1 plus cos 2x dx. You see 1 plus cos 2x is equal to 2 cos square x dx. This is root over 2 cos square x dx is equal to, you see root 2 cos square x, that is cos x dx, root given, so this is cos x dx is equal to root 2 integration of cos x, that is sin x plus c. You see the next problem, integration of cos 3x into cos 2x plus sin 3x into sin 2x by 1 minus cos square x. You see cos 3x into cos 2x plus sin 3x into sin 2x, this is in the form of cos a minus b, that is 3x minus 2x, okay, by 1 minus cos square x, that is sin square x dx, okay, is equal to, you see 3x minus 2x, that is x, okay, cos x by sin square x dx, okay, is equal to, you see this is equal to 1 by sin x into cos x by sin x plus c, sin x, okay, dx. This is cosec x into cot x dx. You know the formula, cosec x into cot x is equal to minus cosec x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see the next problem, a cot x plus b tan x whole square dx is equal to, you see this is a plus b whole square, that is a square cot square x plus b square tan square x, b square tan square x plus 2ab cot x into tan x dx, okay, is equal to, you see a square cot square x plus b square, you write here cot square x is equal to cosec square x minus 1 plus b square, tan square x is equal to sec square x minus 1 plus 2ab, cot x into tan x will cancel out, you see cot x into tan x, this is given, cot x is equal to 1 by tan x, again here tan x cancel out, is equal to 1, so 1 into 2ab, so only 2ab, okay, dx, okay, is equal to, you see, a square is constant, a square cosec square x minus a square plus b square sec square x minus b square plus 2ab dx. Okay, a square cosec square x is equal to how much? Integration of cosec square x minus cot x minus a square dx, that is a square x plus b square integration of sec x, integration of sec square x, that is tan x minus b square x plus 2abx plus c is equal to, right, b square tan square x, b square tan x, not tan square x, minus a square cot x. Okay, minus, you see, in here ax square bx square, a square x minus b square x plus 2abx, you see, taking common x, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab plus c is equal to b square tan x minus a square cot x minus x into a plus a minus b whole square plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see, question number 3, integration of e to the power x, integration of e to the power x plus 2 dx, okay, is equal to e to the power x plus 2 e to the power x dx plus 2 dx, okay, integration is equal to e to the power x plus 2x plus c. Second bit, 3 to the power x dx, integration of t to the power x dx is equal to 3 to the power x by ln 3 plus c. You know the formula, integration of a to the power x dx is equal to a to the power x by ln a plus c. Okay, next you see, integration of a x plus 2, a to the power x plus 2, integration of a to the power x plus 2 is equal to a to the power x plus 2 by ln a plus c. Okay, the next question is integration of a to the power 3x, integration of a to the power 3x dx is equal to a to the power 3x, a to the power 3x by 3 ln a plus c. Okay, you see, you can clear your doubt up in 9b. A substitution can apply here, otherwise you can use this formula, a to the power nx dx is equal to a to the power nx by n ln a plus c. This is the formula. You see, next question. Next question is e to the power 2x plus 1, integration of e to the power 2x plus 1 divide e to the power x dx is equal to e to the power 2x by e to the power x dx, again 1 by e to the power x dx. You see, e to the power 2x by e to the power x is equal to e to the power x, e to the power 2x minus x. Here you see, e to the power 2x minus x plus, this is dx, you write, plus e to the power minus x dx, okay, is equal to e to the power 2x, e to the power 2x is equal to how much? E to the power 2x minus 1, that is e to the power x dx, plus e to the power dx, this is e to the power minus x dx is equal to e to the power x plus minus e to the power minus x plus c. Integration of e to the power minus x is equal to, here you see, the question is given e to the power minus x plus c is equal to e to the power x minus e to the power minus x plus c. Pause the video, note it down. You see, this is question number 4, bit 1, integration of 5 by root over 1 minus x square plus 7 by 1 plus x square dx given. Okay, this is equal to, you see, 5 1 by root over 1 minus x square dx plus 7 is common, 1 by 1 plus x square dx given. This is a formula. There is a formula, you know, 5. This is integration of root over 1 minus x square, that is sine inverse x. Okay, this is 7. This is root over integration of 1 by 1 plus x square, that is tan inverse x plus c. Okay, you see, next question. The next question is e to the power x square by x square plus 1, 3 to the power 3x square, 3x square by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, you see, 3 is the common. Okay, x square by x square plus 1 is equal to 3. You add 1, subtract 1 dx. Here also dx is equal to, you see, this is x square by 1 by x square plus 1, one part. This is 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, is equal to 3. This is only 1 dx, that is only dx, minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, is equal to 3x minus, this is 1 by x square plus 1, that is tan inverse x plus c, is equal to 3x minus 3 tan inverse x, 3 tan inverse x plus c. Okay, you see, next question. In your next question, it is given integration of x square by x square plus 1. Suppose in numerator higher power is given and in denominator lower power is given. We have to divide it first. You see, x to x, you see, you divide. Okay, this is x4, this is x6 plus x4 minus. Okay, minus x4. Okay, then this is equal to minus x square, you take, this is minus x4 minus x square plus, here also plus. Okay, this is equal to x square plus 1, x square plus 1. Okay, this is minus and this is minus, that means remainder is minus 1, So you see, we have to put here is equal to integration of x4 minus x square plus 1 minus 1 by x square plus 1 dx. Okay, then integration of this is equal to, you see, x4 given, that is x5 by 5 minus x square given, x4 given, that is x5 by 5, x square given, x cube by 3 plus 1 given, that is x minus 1 by x square plus 1, that is tan inverse x plus c. You see the next question here given x4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 2. Here also you divide x4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 2 divide x square plus 1 is equal to, you see, this is x square, x4 plus x square, here minus, these two will cancel out. Okay, then you can get x cube plus x plus 2, you take x x into x square, that is x cube plus x. Okay, here minus, that is 2. Okay, in question number 4 we can write integration of x4 plus x cube plus x square plus x plus 2. Okay, dx this by x square plus 1 dx is equal to, okay, is equal to how much? X square plus x square plus x plus, you see this is the remainder 2 is the remainder, that is 2 by x square plus 1 dx. This is equal to x cube by 3, x cube by 3 plus x square by 2 plus 2 into, you see 1 by x square plus 1, that is 10 inverse x plus c. You see the next question number 5. You see integration of root over 1 minus x square plus x square root over 1 minus x square given is equal to, we can write, you see this is 1, okay, we can write LCM you take 1 minus x square, here 1 minus x square plus x square, these two will cancel out. Okay, is equal to integration of dx by 1 minus x square root over. Okay, this is in the formula. This formula, integration of dx by 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x plus c. You see the next question. This is the last question of exercise 9a. Okay, you see the question is given x square plus root over x square minus 1 by x cube root over x square minus 1. Okay, you divide it, x square by this and x root over x square minus 1 by this, x square by x cube root over x square minus 1 dx plus root over x square minus 1 by x cube root over x square minus 1 dx. You see x square and this cube will cancel out, root over x square minus 1, root over x square minus 1 will cancel out. You can get dx by x into root over x square minus 1 plus, here integration you put, integration of, here dx already I have written, here you can get 1 by x cube, okay, 1 by x cube dx. Here you see this is a formula, that is there is a formula, that is dx by integration dx by x root over x square minus 1, that is sec inverse x plus, you see this is x to the power minus 3 dx, okay, is equal to sec inverse x plus x to the power minus 2 by minus 2 plus c, minus 3 plus 1 by minus 3 plus 1, okay, is equal to sec inverse x minus here x to the power minus 2 by 2, okay, is equal to sec inverse x, here plus c write down, sec inverse x minus 1 by 2x square plus c. Pause the video, note it down.